Today I'll show you how to flip or mirror a video clip in your editing timeline so it appears reversed either left to right or top to bottom. This is really handy if you need to correct a shot that was filmed in a mirror, match the direction of movement between two clips, or just create a fun mirrored effect for stylistic reasons. To get started, make sure you have your editing software open and your project loaded. Look at the timeline at the bottom of the screen where all your clips are laid out. Find the specific clip you want to flip. It might be a single shot, a cutaway, or part of a longer sequence. Click directly on that clip to select it. You should see some kind of highlight or outline indicating that this is the active clip you're about to modify. Once your clip is selected, move your attention to the top right area of the interface. There, you'll find a panel called the Inspector. If you don't see it yet, look for a button or tab labeled Inspector and click it to open. The Inspector is where you can change detailed properties of your clip, such as position, scale, rotation, and in this case, flipping. Keeping the inspector visible while you work makes it much easier to fine-tune your visuals. With the inspector open and your clip still selected, locate the section labeled Transform. This section controls how your clip is displayed within the frame. Inside Transform, you'll see options for things like zoom, position, and rotation, but what we want to focus on is the flip setting. In the flip controls, you'll see two options: flip horizontal and flip vertical. These might appear as toggles, switches, or checkboxes depending on your software version. Let's break down what each one does so you choose the right effect for your shot. Flip horizontal mirrors your video from left to right. Imagine placing a mirror along the vertical center of your frame. The right side becomes the left side and the left side becomes the right. This is ideal if a subject is facing the wrong direction for your edit, or if on-screen text or logos were recorded in a way that needs to be reversed for composition or continuity. To apply it, simply toggle flip horizontal on. You'll see the clip instantly update in the viewer. Flip vertical, on the other hand, mirrors your video from top to bottom. Think of it like turning the image upside down using a horizontal mirror across the middle of the frame. This can be useful for creative transitions, reflections, or correcting shots that were captured in an unusual orientation. To use it, toggle flip vertical on and watch the preview update in real time. You can experiment with turning each option on or off while watching the playback viewer. If you accidentally apply the wrong flip, just toggle it back off. Most editors update instantly, so you can quickly compare the original and flipped versions and decide which one works best. When you're happy with the result, leave the appropriate flip option enabled